3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating three-dimensional objects by layering materials in a controlled manner based on a digital design. The process typically involves the following steps: 1. Designing a 3D model is created using computer-aided design (CAD) software or obtained from a 3D scanner. The model defines the shape and structure of the object to be printed. 2. Slicing. The 3D model is sliced into thin horizontal layers using specialized software. Each layer is then converted into instructions that the 3D printer can understand. 3. Printing. The 3D printer builds the object layer by layer, following the instructions provided by the software. It deposits or solidifies materials such as plastic, metal, resin, or even food in a precise manner to form the final object. Here are some key applications: 1. Rapid prototyping. 3D printing enables quick and cost-effective production of prototypes for design verification and testing. It allows designers and engineers to iterate and refine their designs more efficiently. 2. Manufacturing and production. 3D printing is increasingly used in small-scale manufacturing and production processes, especially for complex or customized products. It eliminates the need for traditional tooling and enables on-demand manufacturing. 3. Healthcare and biomedical applications. 3D printing plays a crucial role in medical fields, such as producing patient-specific implants, prosthetics, surgical models, and anatomical replicas. It also facilitates the development of tissue engineering and drug delivery systems. 4. Education and research. 3D printing provides a hands-on learning experience, allowing students and researchers to bring their ideas to life. It promotes creativity, innovation, and problem-solving skills across various disciplines. 5. Architecture and construction. Architects and builders utilize 3D printing to create intricate scale models, customized building components, and even entire structures. It enables greater design freedom and efficient construction techniques. 6. Automotive and aerospace. 3D printing is used in the production of lightweight components, customized parts, and prototypes in the automotive and aerospace industries. 7. Consumer goods and fashion. 3D printing allows for the creation of unique and personalized consumer products, jewelry, fashion accessories, and footwear. It enables designers to explore unconventional shapes and materials,